Hey everyone, this is Aaron at King's Ding Repair. Today I'm going to show you a dent repair done by another company that said this is as good as it's going to get. Well, I'm going to have to beg to differ. There's the repair that the other company said that is as good as it's going to get. No one else can get it better. This is a 2015 or 16 Dodge Dart. Very good condition vehicle. The customer was really upset when the other company said that's as good as it's gonna get. Well, I'm gonna have to prove them, otherwise stay tuned for the final results. All right, everyone, this is the Dodge Dart cleanup work from another company that said that was as good as it was going to get, and I cleaned it up for this customer to ease his headaches of looking at it, but it's not perfect. Some of the things the other company did were pretty much irreversible, pushing too hard, leaving poke marks, and impressions in the paint are very hard to get reversed without sanding it down and painting it. But other than that, it came out pretty darn good for what it was and the condition it was in. Please do your research on somebody before hiring. Yeah, happy customer.